might be wondering where I am. Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. What do we think of my outfit? Cool, right? I'm wearing my oversized pink shirt with my trusty old bicycle shorts, my shoes mum got me, and of course my black Marc Jacobs bag. And how cute is this necklace? And my elastic, so cute. We're going uptown. I'm gonna try and get some back to school stuff because yeah, I'm 26 and I have to go back to school for the rest of my life. So that's the plan. See you later. Bye.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh my god, Pippa just fell over.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Whose birthday is it today, guys?
Wee.
Wee, get Wee.
Wee. Come here.
Wee turns 2 today, guys. If you want to wish her happy birthday.
Got her. I got her. And I got her. Say hi, Wee. Happy birthday, baby.
Oh, you 2 years old. 2 years old. You so cute. We're gonna get her a little treat, aren't we, guys?
Yeah.
Present for her birthday. So see you then.
Bye.
Hey, birthday girl.
Go.
Go, come in for the party. Anna, do you want to go in on the inside there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this up.
Table. Sit.
Yeah.
Sit, Coco.
Coco, sit there, boy. Sit.
Oh, that's adorable.
Sit. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wee. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday if it's your birthday. Hi. How are you doing?
Right, guys, we're going to. What are we gonna do?
We're
Will we
gonna
what?
go to bed.
Are we or?
No, we're gonna stay up for a little
Do
more.
you want to watch another movie? Oh.
No.
You don't want to watch another movie? Why not?
I do. I do, yeah.
Well, what do you want to do?
I didn't think.
It's bedtime.
A movie.
Me and Pip are gonna watch a movie.
Me too. Okay. I am as well.
Uh-huh. These are my only friends.
Robin.
I don't have any friends that are older than the age of 11.
On an Xbox?
It's me. The world's worst vlogger. It's currently Friday. I last vlogged on Tuesday. So yeah, weekly vlog going good. Here I am. And look at my cute puppy. Hey, cute puppy. And there's my cousin. All she does is follow me everywhere. So how's everybody doing? Any news, guys? Let me know in the comments because I've got no news. I don't even know why I vlog because I've nothing to update anybody on except Love Island, which is probably going to be over next week. I think it's over next week. And then I'm back to school. I'm excited to go back and have a normal routine, but I'm gonna miss having free time. So yeah, anyway, catch you guys later.
I'm taking a picture.
No, we're just showing them our outfits. Guys, look at our matching outfits. Who wore it better? Do we look like twins? I think
If I
you're
have shorter
prettier.
hair. No, you look.
No, you're prettier than me.
you.
No, you are.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You don't have braces, so. We're going out to take a photo shoot, aren't we, Anna? It's currently 10 to 9, so we have 10 minutes before Love Island comes on to take some cute photos. Cause oh yeah, we're not watching Love Island. Anna brought down that blue dress because she knew I had one and she wanted to get matching photos because we got matching photos before. I'll insert them in here. You can see them.
They were like
where we had the same jumpers
and
shorts. So enjoy those and go to my Instagram to see these ones. Hopefully they'll be up there if they're cute. If they're not, you won't see them.
But we can do some at the beach tomorrow.
Maybe.
If it's sunny.
No, you shoot.
You said how you doing? Lonely, okay? Said do you wanna go dancing? Shake your blues away. Oh, darling, don't you worry.
Okay. Photo shoot complete.
Yep.
Me and my mini-me. Look, he's patiently waiting for Mum and Ken to get back. Oh, little babies. Who is it? Please stop. Please reaction. Hi, how are you?
So hello.
Oh.
Oh, it smells so clean.
I cleaned your whole room for you.
It's good. Oh my God, what do you like?
I left you some some earplugs and pajamas.
Oh, yours good. Oh, thanks, sweetheart.
And that card is from Anna.
Oh God, help her, fish on tone. That her give me a hug.
That's you doing her hair. You did curls.
Oh God, help her. That's so adorable.
Hey guys, sitting at the park playing tennis. Currently 20 to 7 and it's 19 degrees. So go Ireland for bringing back a nice sunny week. Kev and Taryn are just playing a match. There he is. Hey guys, you might be wondering where I am. Well, I'm about to show you. So just wait, just wait. So, welcome to my new life. We moved back to Dublin. So this is our new apartment. I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour. Empty, it's not decorated yet. Well, it kind of comes furnished but not decorated, so yeah. Next vlog will be decorating. This is the front hallway area, and then in here we have a storage room where we just threw in all of our decorative pieces. A really nice print. Kim Den Hall. This is our bedroom. Come on in. Inside we have our bed. That's just temporary bed sheets. This is my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. And then you have a full length window which exposes our location. Please don't stalk us. Oh, our bathroom. We've got an ensuite. This is our ensuite. Nicely, it won't look like this when it's done properly. It's our sink to it, and then we've got a little shower in here. And come out here next door. We have our spare bedroom. Just the exact same. Double bed with the window, the wardrobes, but it has no bathroom. So back out here. Then we have the main bathroom. How pretty is this? It's got a bath and a shower. And yeah, just a nice shelf there actually. This is the nicest room. Our our sitting room. So we've got the couches right. This is my pro. And balcony. Look at all the windows. And then turn around. You've got the kitchen. Nice view of Lidl just down the road. And this is our kitchen space. We get dominoes. And this is our utility room where Kev's gonna do the washing. That's it, guys. So that was the exciting news that I was not sharing with you because we hadn't got the apartment just then, but it's ours now because we're obviously here. We only moved in on Friday, it's now Sunday, and I'll probably put this vlog up tomorrow, and then I'll have a new vlog where I'm going to decorate it and show you guys it when it's all pretty. Let me know what you think. I'm back in Dublin, back teaching again. Gonna have some teaching vlogs coming too. And my first day back at school is tomorrow, so I'm excited. So getting up at 7 o'clock is gonna be a struggle. Yeah, so that's my news. Who's excited for the Dublin vlog content? Because I am. Don't forget to subscribe to see my cool vlogs in the future, and I'll see you guys later. I think I'm finished. If this vlog is only 2 minutes long, sorry about that. It's been so busy this week. But yeah, bye.